Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the I forgot what it's called, but it's a PC. I'll put the what it's called in the description below and what the title is called. Alright guys, let's go unbox this PC. Yeah. Alright guys, let's go do this. Oh, wait. This is not mine. This is my sister's. And if you want to see my setup, I know it's gonna be impossible, but just get this video to 500 likes. If it gets there, I'll show you guys my setup. Alright, let's go. As you guys can see, so lift this up. You gotta be careful. It's the PC. Oh, it looks kind of cool. This is the PC. Slow and steady. It almost looks like the Mercedes sign for a car. These are the stuff in it. The power cord. Oh, look guys, it comes with a mouse. It's pretty nice. That is, let's go put this back. We'll look at this later, alright? Pretty nice setup, pretty nice setup. And I'm guessing this is the keyboard. So it already comes with the whole set. Pretty nice. Would you look at that? That's cool. I'll be showing it when it all comes together, alright? So those things are what? So those come with a keyboard and mouse. The PC. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the next one. Alright guys, let's go see what's inside. I don't really know my PC stuff, but I'll let you guys look. I'll read it stuff. Take this out. Camera person, come here, like actually move here. There you guys see, over here. So I can see there's looks like there's one fan in the back. Whoa, it's a Thunderbolt. Is that the new plug? Looks like it is. All right, let's go see what the inside looks like. So it looks like in order to take off this part, you have to take out these feet right here. Shout out to my sister. She's the one that's doing the camera. Say hi if you want. know if that's 16 rams or 8 rams, but you can still put 2 more sticks, so that's good. Here, there's 2 USBs here. I think that's the power button. next time.
If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more content like this. And yeah, peace.